These are all the products I'm using today. Got the brake cleaner, some cheapo spray paint, black, my wire brushes, rag, and my mask. You're also going to need one of these to take the tire off, take the lug nuts off, and your lug nuts, your lug nut adapter if you have a lock, and I use a little drill just to get the lug nuts off faster. I also have my jack here, and you always want your jack stands. Make sure you get the jack on the frame when you're jacking the truck up. So the caliper is all rusty. Also, this is nasty here, so we're gonna take this up and we're gonna get to it. You want to be careful, you don't want to get paint on the actual part where the brakes, the stopping part of the brake rotors. And like I said, we're getting the truck ready to be painted, so we want to get all this little stuff done. That way the truck can get painted and we can just worry about putting the trim pieces on. I will be showing you guys how to change your upholstery on your seat, because I do have rips in my seat. So I do like to hit it with the wire wheel and this one before I take it off. Like I said, this is a real quick job. You can obviously take it off and take your time with it, but it's just a brake rotor. Then you just take your brake cleaner. Get it like that. So what you want to do is, there's 2 bolts in the rotors. I took the top one out already. I'm taking the bottom out now, but I already sprayed the front of it because that's all you're going to be able to see. And make sure you don't get any paint on the rotor where the brakes are going to be going on. So put a towel over the rotor. Put a screwdriver in here and compress the caliper. Walk it off. Sit. Then what I do is I bring it up here and I just sit it here and let it rest. Boom. Okay, so we got the first coat of paint on the brake drum. Just letting that dry up. and you want to let that dry. Super easy, super quick. Just something to, you know, freshen it up a little bit. I wanted to get all this done now because I am painting the truck. Before you paint the truck, you obviously paint any car, you want to get all the underneath first. You want to start from the bottom of the truck, get everything cleaned up. That way you can paint the truck and you don't have to go back down there and mess with anything. So I will be painting the truck sometime in the next couple weeks. But yeah. And I'm debating if I should keep the wheels I have. The rally rims. Let me see if you can see them here. Should I keep these? Or should I get something chrome? Maybe some American Racing wheels. Not too sure. Let's take this paint off, this tape off here. Make sure you get all the tape off. I like to take the tape off when the paint is still a little bit wet, just because it's a little easier to get it off before all the paint dries up super hard. So the paint I have does dry pretty quick, especially when you do light coats like that. So I'm just gonna throw this tire back on here. Get it lined up here. Get your drill. You do want to get the lug nut started first, just so you don't cross thread. Just a little bit. Okay. Like so. You can put it on. Now this is a lock nut, and this is the key. It goes in here, and that's what keeps your wheels from being messed with. Make sure you always keep your key, don't lose it. When you're putting your tires on, you want to go in a star pattern. So do one cross over, do the other one cross over, the other one cross over. The reason why you do that is you want the rim to be flush with the brake drum or the rotor. You want it to get a good seat. Take your jack out. Then we can lower truck.